Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to create modern cycle infographic template in Adobe InDesign. Draw a circle shape with the ellipse tool, shortcut L. Give gradient fill color to the circle shape. Select anchor point with direct selection tool, shortcut E. Select anchor point and double click on K tool for resize. Scale X 50%. Rotate to 180 degree. Copy Ctrl C, paste in place. Alt Shift Ctrl V. Rotation angle 180 plus 72 degree. Select both shapes. Subtract from Pathfinder panel. Copy Ctrl C, paste in place. Alt Shift Ctrl V. Rotation angle 180 plus 72 degree in control panel. Every shape add plus 72 degrees for rotation. You can give different gradient fill colors to shape. Reverse from gradient panel. Gray color gradient. Type linear. Blending mode multiply in effect panel. Go to object menu and effects and directional feather. Feather width 50 pixel. Object menu and arrange and bring to front. Finally, your infographic design template is now ready. Please follow step by step and it's easy way to create business infographic design template in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.